Experiencing problems with your Xfinity Xumo Box not turning on or booting up? Let's troubleshoot. First, perform a power cycle. Unplug the Xumo Box from the power source for 30 to 60 seconds, then reconnect. This clears temporary glitches. Next, try a soft reset. Press and hold the power button on the device or remote for 10 to 15 seconds. This restarts the OS without data loss. Weak Wi-Fi or modem problems can also prevent initialization, so check your network connection. If power cycling and soft resets don't work, try a hard reset. You can do this via the Settings menu by going to Settings, then Device, then Reset. Or by holding the Reset button, usually a pinhole on the back, for 20 to 30 seconds with a paper clip. Remember, this will erase your data, so back up app preferences beforehand. Common causes include hardware failures in older devices and corrupted software updates. Also, ensure the device has proper ventilation to prevent overheating. If issues persist, contact Xfinity support for potential hardware replacement under warranty.